Hi friends, this is one of my favorite stories. I seem to have a lot of favorite stories, but I really like this one. It's called Little Cloud by Eric Carle. It talks about clouds in the sky. The little cloud drifted slowly across the sky. Little cloud trailed behind him. The clouds pushed upward and away. Little cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and the trees. The clouds moved out of sight. Little cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little cloud changed into a sheep. Sheep and cloud sometimes look alike. Fluffy body, some little legs, and there's his face and an eye. It's a cloud, but it does look like a sheep. Little cloud changed into an airplane. Little cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Look at this. It's amazing. Little cloud changed into a shark. Little cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Look at the fins and the sharp teeth. Little cloud changed into two trees. Little cloud liked the way the trees never moved and stayed in one place. Little cloud changed into a rabbit. Little cloud loved to watch the rabbits dash across the meadows. Little cloud changed into a hat because little cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. Well, that's a good reason. Remember, this is just a cloud, but they saw a clown that needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little cloud, they called, come back. Little cloud drifted towards the clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud, and it rained. The end. No more clouds. Now, because we saw clouds in here, you're going to get some paint that you have in your little container and a piece of blue paper. You can empty your container onto your paper. You're going to fold it in half. Rub, 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 rub. As much as you want or as little as you want. And when you open it up, you will have your own cloud picture. What do you see in this picture? Have your mom or dad help you write down a story about the cloud that you see. Have fun with this, friends. Bye.